My previous publications and research experience. I have published a paper titled as Simulation of Workpiece and CNC Milling Machine on the basis of G and M code based NC programming. In this research, I have analyzed mathematical model of tool trajectory and predict the shortest tool path, which applied for reducing the time of a tool path in a simulation environment as well as in the real life CNC milling machine tool trajectory. I have analyzed the line to line movement, line to arc movement, arc to line movement, and arc to arc movement. We have analyzed the tool trajectory in different paths of movement and developed a mathematical model and write a NC G code block code here and try to predict the shortest tool path, which is helpful for reducing the machining time. Later, I have generated the CAM data by using existing CAM software like Mastercam and SolidCams, and compare this to data and analyzes the improvement scope of machining technique. I have also worked with another project. The topic was a neurophagy approach for cutting tool selection in a computer-aided manufacturing process. In this research approach, we solve a real-life problem. We have developed a decision-making algorithm for predicting the suitable tool data for an existing CAD design. In real life, what we do in the CAD environment, when we design a workpiece and it has different dimensions, so we collect this dimension data from this CAD environment and analyzed, and from the existing tool set we have, we prepare a data set and train the model by using neurophagy approach. We used MATLAB for train the model. We have used Phagy interface system. After training the model of predicting the tool set, we have generated the NFIS data tool predictions and plotted it against the real tool data. For machining a certain dimension hole, like we need 15 millimeter tool, and our NFIS prediction data is near 15 millimeters. So it is a promising approach for making the system automatic for selecting the tool data from our existing design data. It will help to taking the proper decision and automation the system, and eventually it will help improve the CAM process. I have also worked in a project of Dr. Firoz Ahmed. I have assisted him in this project. I have designed a terahertz device in a CAD environment, and in the lab setup, this design equipment have been applied here. And Dr. Firoz Ahmed conduct research for using terahertz imaging technique for monitoring the flow of buffer solution at different pH value through a microfluidic chips.